Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS Technology Sciences. So in this video, we are going to discuss about different types of waste in various industries. So this is the lecture series of lean manufacturing subject. In this previous lecture videos, we have discussed about what is lean manufacturing, and then difference between lean manufacturing and the traditional manufacturing, and then different elements of lean manufacturing and principles of lean manufacturing. So these details I will give in the description. So here we will discuss about the different types of waste in lean manufacturing, waste in any industry, particularly in the production industry. So in general, we have classified the waste into seven categories. The first one, it starts from the inventory, and then overproduction, transport, movement, and then waiting, over processing, and then defects. So these are the major classifications of waste in any industries, and particularly to the production industries. So where this waste starts with transport. So the transport is one type of waste that we have listed. So these waste, when we have in the production industries, the workstations are too far between the distance means, and then once we completed one process and then we go for the next process to the next workstation that is too far, then this intermediate time, or that is the transport time, or entirely leads to waste, and then it also affects the entire profit of the industry. So it is the wasted time, resources, and then cost with the unnecessary movement of materials, tools, inventory, equipment, or products within the workstation, so that we can once we will rectify or to minimize these transport transport kind of waste, then we can improve the entire overall efficiency of the industry. And then second one is inventory. So if we produce the excessive amount of products and then that is, we can take this overproduction. So these products are should be stored in the inventory. So these inventory are used to the loss of particular industry. So waste from excess products and materials that cannot be processed. So these materials or products, it is stored in the inventory, and it is to the waste. And then third one is motion. So the wasted effort due to the movement of people, and then decrease wall time between workstations. So if you take the too much the time between the time taken to reach between the workstations, and then it leads to the reach the waste, one kind of waste. The next one is waiting. So the wasted time spent waiting for the next process step to occur. So it needs to be eliminated to bottleneck. So once the product is required, the more than one process, and the more process means, so this once the first steps or the first process is over, then it needs to go for the next process. Means it should be the very short. It will take very short span of time, so that we can minimize the ideal time or the waiting time, and then leave the workstations of the process. These are too far. It needs to go for it needs to wait wait for the, it will take the 5 minutes, so it also leads to waste. So for the case, we have to minimize the waiting time as much as possible, and then overproduction. So it needs to be eliminated completely. So these lean manufacturers mainly focus on the customer demand and then customer requirement, what they need. So that only the industry or the product or the companies needs to supply or produce the product, so that the overproduction will avoid, and then the waste from making more products than customers demands. So it needs to ensure full production. So that full is the process used in the lean manufacturing. That is, if the customer require, the customer needs any product or process, that need to be immediately have to take a response, so that the waiting time or overproduction will be avoided. The next is over processing. So this over processing is due to improper process or the smoothness or the effectiveness of the product means it needs to go for the higher next process for the quality enhancement. So it takes the additional process. So it also needs to be avoided. And next one is defect. So once the product is released or it is supplied to the customer, it needs to be defect free. If it is a defect means then the entire process is going to be the base and then the process is needs to rework from this scratch. So it needs to provide it and then so the industry are used to produce the product it is to defect free products and then customer satisfaction must be attained. So these are the major waste of in the production industries. Thank you.